Okay, now I'm recording. All right, so I can record again. I got about 10 minutes, so I gotta remember that. Or 10:20. Okay. All right. So this is where we left off. Let's change this to C plus plus. Um, so yeah, C programming language. I'll keep that. Cable configuration. Cache memory. We have cache. I'll just keep cache memory. Capture connection. Control cookie C++, and then obviously computer we're gonna have. So actually we'll just take all these together. Okay, let's move on to these. We actually have a lot of here. So we already have data, we have database, data lake. We don't have data lake. The bean, can also decompress. We do have that desktop. We have dialer. No, so data lake, Debian, dialer, document. And we have that DOS and download. Okay. We don't have DOS. Okay. So we can only really copy these three. No, it's two. Again, I'm trying to not copy as many words as possible. ENIAC, electricity, email. Okay, we can do email attachment. And then I don't think anything else is in there. Okay. But yeah. So if you watch my first part, I hope you enjoyed it. Right. Now we're on the F's. Again, let's just keep this simple. Okay, so file allocation table. We'll keep that. Just call it FAT. Won't do these file types for ending now, but we'll do file sharing, file system, firewall, folder. We have footnotes. We'll keep formats. There's freeware, FTP, Facebook, function, and fonts. We do have font. Okay. Like I said, my goal is to minimize the amount of repeats because I don't like repeats in my word searches. I don't know why. It's just a little pet peeve. It's like I have a weird memory like that, but it's okay. Again, we're trying to look basically to double the size, really, which is kind of insane. But I'm not even halfway there. Alright, and I just gotta be aware of the time. G's, there isn't much G's, it's just gigabyte and graphics. I can copy and paste everything after here. But yeah, this is what happens when That's what happens when you aren't just copying and pasting anything. So I guess this is a good test of my skills. Hard disk hash function. Okay. Yeah, we need a lot. We need a lot. Ugh. Intel input device, internet. Okay, so it's just Intel, and I probably should be. I guess I really don't care. Too much about formatting right now. Even though I probably should. Java's already nice with the JavaScript. Yeah, computer, let's just say like 200. Let's just say like 500 computer terms. So abbreviations, acronyms. Huh. 32,000 terms that are specific to computers and the internet. Well, goldmine. Hopefully I can just copy and paste it. Probably not though. I might just full record this and just split it into multiple parts. Yeah, whatever, I'll just full record it. See what TikTok does about it. I might just have to edit it tonight. Yeah, I'll just edit it tonight. Alright, let's see if we can copy and paste this stuff. Probably you. Well, by all means. I remove the bullet points. I hope I don't have to do it manually. Like, I can't really. Yeah, so I can't like push with aids. I didn't even know you could insert bullet points in here. That's low-key. I don't even know that was possible. Okay, let's. Oh. Alright, so I guess we're just recording videos now. Maybe we should just make a YouTube channel. maybe. Well, if anybody is watching this, let me know if I can make a YouTube channel. Alright. Oh, wow, that is... Yeah, this is not going to work. That's just going to take too long. I just need like a computer terms list CSV. This one I can include. I guess technically, yeah, we'll include CSV. Okay, let's look at this. Word list.csv. Interesting. This is just words. Yeah, it's just words. A lot of words. So no. Good idea for later though. Again, this would be great if I just didn't have to actually take it out. Wow, I'm not gonna lie, this is a little... That's literally a lot. Harder than I thought. Oh yeah. This looks interesting. I wish they just had more general terms. Like they don't just have like a general thing, but well, let's just use a mix of them. Maybe we'll do some companies, a lot of companies. Wow. Yeah, a lot of companies. I think it'd feel like a cop out if I just used the companies though. Well, let's get a couple. I do like artificial intelligence, so we'll sneak in a couple of these. Can't use this, won't use this. I don't mind using these. And then Jack, you'll just have to let me know if you feel like this is more of a cop out or if you feel like this isn't what you're looking for. Again, just keep me informed. I probably will throw some computer slang in there at the end. I kind of think that'd be fun. I do know this stuff actually. I'm just gonna throw random stuff in here. Technically, these are like I know I'm super general on computers, so all right, that's kind of it. Let's go back. Let's go. I guess CPU terms. Man, we feels like we're miles away right now. Moore's Law, that's something I had to learn for college. Actually, no, that is. I'm so cool. Alright, we'll use these. Alright, we still have a ways to go. Okay, so I guess we'll look at computer slime. Where are we at right now? Alright, let's just go here. Control X. Just Control D down here, and then let's just see where we're at. Make sure. Yeah, I know I had a few empty rows here. Okay. That brings us to 416. So roughly about 80 words to go, and I think maybe we just do 80 words of slang. So, I don't know if you know any of these slangs to the computer peoples. I hope this is real slang. I don't know. We're gonna see. Some of this is definitely real slang. I can tell already, but we'll end on this. I think it's a nice little light-hearted way to end it. So about 25 words, and this will probably end it right here. Alright, so we can get rid of this one. We'll put foo bar, which just sounds funny. Okay. Should I? I wish there was a way to do this quickly, but I think it's okay. Yeah, I think this is something I have to live with. Unless I can. Nah, because then it just looks weird if only a couple are and some aren't. Let's see. Shortcut to capitalize. Shift F3. Nope. That doesn't work. Select the text you want to change. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay. See, shortcut to capitalize first letter of each word in Google Sheets on Mac. if this is even possible. Oh, well, let's watch this video together. It's fair use. And it's just proper. You just do proper. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so then we can just do this. Equals proper um, A1. And then autofill. Oh, that is so much nicer. Um, oh, yeah, control V. Now we run into a problem. Because if I copy this, yeah, look, it's because it's the equation. Hmm. Okay. Interesting. But I can't just say that they're all proper. I can't just make it all proper like that. Okay. Well, I create a new sheet. And then just, yeah, no reference. Wait. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to go to another Google Sheet that I have, which um, I use an app script for to create, where, this is for my famous Luminary search. If we go to extensions, app script, oh, shoot, did not mean to do that. Let's try this again. Extensions, scripts. Okay. So yeah, this just inserts a row. Um, what? Okay, why does it like do this? This is annoying. Ian, I'm sorry about this delay. No, I went to the wrong one. Okay, I'm an idiot. See, I copied it. Thank you. Alright, now it's going to give me the usual permissions error. Yep. And let's get assigned to my accounts. And let it know that it is okay. Now, as you're going to see, it's just going to start automatically creating spaces, and this is because we want the puzzles to be spaced like this. You'll see later, but this should be it. Alright, let's just get on to the next phase. So we're going to download this CSV file, and then we're going to go to the book bolts, which is where I create all these books in. I just paid $20 a month to do what I do. Is it worth it? We'll see. Okay, nice. Okay. This is one I just made. Put it up online already. But what we're going to do is select from 1 through 55. This is so we can get every, because we have 55 puzzles, 9 words per puzzle. We're going to move this CSV file. We're going to do this one. Okay, it's going to say fix errors. Yeah, it's because it has to be a certain length. So let's just go and check them. So we're going to look at 324. Oh, there's a period. Oh wow, it has too many words. Interesting. I don't know what to replace that with. What's a word that I hadn't used? Well, a terabyte. I don't think I've used that. Okay. 325. What is the computer manufacturing? 328. I just did data processing. 335. Open system. We'll just say operating systems. Again, another word I'm surprised I didn't have in there. 351. Artificial general intelligence. Yeah, that makes sense. I already have AGI in there, so it doesn't really matter. So 351 and 352, I'm going to have to come up with new words for. 354, we'll just say neural network, and we'll say back propagation of computing. We'll just say spreadsheet. 406 is here. We'll just say digital processor. 426. We'll just say meltdown. 427, memory dependence prediction. We could just use the word prediction. 427, 451, overdrive processor replacements. I'm just gonna say, let's just say overdrive processor. 462, trusted execution technology. Let's say trusted technology. And 517, EQ. No idea what that means. Oh, cooling. Okay. Alright, now let's see if this works. No, we still have an error. 325. What was that? Computer manufacturing? Come on, man. We'll just say manufacturing then. That's a little annoying. Yeah, that is it for that. And I'll only be showing you the creation of the book. I'll upload it to Amazon myself. If you want to see a video of me uploading to Amazon, I don't use any AI in that process. That's why I'm not going to do it. But if you want to see a video on that, let me know. But now it's time for the cover. So obviously, oh wait. I forgot to make a clone of this one. Shoot. Okay, it's fine. I'll just replace this cover. I did not want to do that. I was supposed to make a clone of the book. I guess it's fine because I don't really need to have the book saved, so it's fine. Alright. This I'm keeping here because I do want it. I'll keep it in the bottom corner. We'll see. Okay, but it is now time to do this by hand. So I usually, as you saw, I had a ChatGPT image. Usually, I'm not going to do that. We'll do a black background. I don't like that. Let's like a computer-y color. I kind of like this green. We'll just do this green. This is just saved colors I have. And we're gonna add a text box. Alright, so we're gonna have one heading up here, one in the middle, like below it, and we'll have one down here. So then I'll probably move this up. So I like to have 50 plus puzzles down here. This will say computers. We'll just say word search. I have to shrink this a bit. And then yeah, it's kind of that simple for now. Then we're going to add a square. We're going to make it white. I'm going to try and get it like right here. We'll make it bigger. Okay, now what we're going to do Let it save as well. And we're almost done. We're just going to copy and paste this first puzzle here. Go out to here. Nicely. And we're just going to go here, edit contents. And what we'll do is now we're going to grab a photo from here. They have a copyright-free thing, so we're just going to put computer, see what we like. Kind of like this. Seems nice and calm. Yeah, I kind of like that. We'll go with that. See what that looks like on here. I don't know if I like it. Let's keep looking. This is cool. I'd much rather use this PC. Yes, I did see that it was AI generated, but I wasn't using the AI, I'm just using the images that were given to me, so. If you want to, Jack, claim that I used AI, then technically I did, but I'm not counting it. I'm not going to be real stickler about it. Okay, and that's it. That is the book. So I'm going to go upload this now, and you'll be able to buy it, hopefully, if you so choose. I'll wait. I'll make this white. Yeah, and then I'll keep it black on the bottom. Now we'll make it white. The white kind of pops out a little bit more, and I kind of like it a bit better. Yeah, it kind of matches the vibe I'm going for. And maybe we can change the color to match this, but let's see what colors we get. Ooh. Yeah, I like that better. It matches the actual PC. Okay. This is it. We're going to stop recording. Thanks, and let me know if you guys want to see another video.